Fish emulsion. Fertilizer is a secret weapon for gardeners. This natural fertilizer has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations that recognized the benefits of fish-based nutrients for plant growth. Today it remains a favorite among organic gardeners and those looking to boost their garden's health without synthetic chemicals. It helps plants grow big and strong. The nutrients in fish emulsion are readily available to plants, which means they can absorb them quickly and start benefiting almost immediately. This rapid uptake can lead to noticeable improvements in plant health and growth within just a few days of application. It is made from fish, a gift from the ocean. The process of making fish emulsion involves breaking down fish parts such as bones, scales, and offal into a liquid form. This not only recycles fish waste but also creates a potent fertilizer that is rich in essential nutrients. Fish emulsion is a natural way to make your garden healthy. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment and degrade soil health over time, fish emulsion supports sustainable gardening practices. It enriches the soil, promotes microbial activity, and enhances the overall ecosystem of your garden. Fish emulsion is a liquid fertilizer. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use. You can apply it as a foliar spray, directly to the soil, or even use it in hydroponic systems. Its liquid form ensures that the nutrients are evenly distributed and easily accessible to plants. It is easy to use in your garden. Simply mix the recommended amount of fish emulsion with water and you're ready to go. This ease of use makes it a great option for both novice and experienced gardeners. Plus, it can be used on a wide variety of plants, from vegetables and fruits to flowers and shrubs. Just mix it with water and pour it on your plants. The application process is straightforward and hassle-free. For best results, apply the mixture during the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler and plants can absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Your plants will love this special treat. You'll notice a difference in their vigor and vitality. Leaves will become greener, flowers more vibrant, and fruits and vegetables more bountiful. It's like giving your garden a nutritious meal that keeps it thriving. Fish emulsion is a good source of nutrients. It contains a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are the primary nutrients plants need to grow. Additionally, it provides trace elements like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, which are also essential for plant health. It has nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth, phosphorus supports root development and flowering, and potassium enhances overall plant health and disease resistance. This balanced nutrient profile makes fish emulsion an excellent all-purpose fertilizer. These nutrients are important for plant growth. They work together to ensure that plants develop strong roots, sturdy stems, and lush foliage. Healthy plants are better equipped to withstand pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. They help plants grow strong roots, stems, and leaves. By using fish emulsion, you're not just feeding your plants, you're nurturing the entire garden ecosystem. This holistic approach leads to a more resilient and productive garden, providing you with beautiful blooms and bountiful harvests season after season. Fish emulsion is made from whole fish or fish parts. This process begins with fishermen out at sea, catching a variety of fish. Some of these fish are destined for our dinner plates, while others are not suitable for human consumption. These less desirable fish, which might be too small, damaged, or simply not the right species, are the ones that will be used to create fish emulsion. These are fish that are not used for food. Instead of being wasted, they are repurposed into something incredibly valuable for agriculture. This sustainable practice ensures that every part of the catch is utilized, minimizing waste and maximizing the benefits we can derive from the ocean's resources. The fish are cooked and pressed to remove the oil and water. This step is crucial as it helps to separate the useful components from the fish. The cooking process breaks down the fish tissues, making it easier to extract the oils and water. These oils can be used for various purposes, including in the production of fish oil supplements, while the water is often discarded or treated. The remaining material is then dried and ground into a powder. This powder is known as fish meal. Drying the fish material helps to preserve it and makes it easier to handle and store. The grinding process ensures that the fish meal is fine and consistent, which is important for its use in various applications. This powder is fish meal. Fish meal is a highly nutritious product that is rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It is widely used in animal feed, providing essential nutrients that help to promote the growth and health of livestock and poultry. Fish meal is a valuable ingredient in animal feed. Farmers mix it into the feed to ensure that their animals receive a balanced diet. The high protein content of fish meal makes it an excellent supplement for animals, helping to improve their overall health and productivity. To make fish emulsion, the fish meal is mixed with water and allowed to ferment. Fermentation is a natural process that involves the breakdown of organic materials by microorganisms. This process not only helps to preserve the fish meal but also enhances its nutrient content, making it more beneficial for plants. Fermentation is a natural process that breaks down the fish meal into smaller, more easily absorbed nutrients. During fermentation, beneficial bacteria and enzymes work to decompose the fish meal, releasing nutrients that are readily available for plant uptake. This makes fish emulsion an excellent organic fertilizer. The resulting liquid is then strained and bottled. This liquid is rich in nutrients and can be used as a fertilizer to promote plant growth. The straining process ensures that any solid particles are removed, leaving a smooth nutrient-rich liquid that is easy to apply to plants. It is now ready to be used as a fertilizer. Gardeners and farmers can apply fish emulsion to their plants to provide them with essential nutrients. This organic fertilizer helps to improve soil health, promote vigorous plant growth, and increase crop yields. From the sea to the soil, fish emulsion is a sustainable and effective way to nourish our plants and support a healthy ecosystem. Fish emulsion is a fast-acting fertilizer. Derived from the byproducts of fish, this organic fertilizer is rich in essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. When applied to the soil, it quickly breaks down, releasing these nutrients in a form that plants can readily absorb. This rapid nutrient availability is one of the key benefits of using fish emulsion in your garden. This means that plants can absorb the nutrients quickly. Unlike some other fertilizers that take time to break down and become available to plants, fish emulsion provides an almost immediate boost. This can be particularly beneficial during the growing season when plants are in need of a quick nutrient fix to support their rapid growth and development. This is because the nutrients in fish emulsion are in a form that plants can easily take up. The natural composition of fish emulsion includes amino acids, vitamins, and trace elements that are readily available to plants. This ensures that your plants get a balanced diet, promoting healthier growth and more robust yields. Fish emulsion is also a gentle fertilizer. Its organic nature means it is less likely to cause harm to your plants even if you accidentally apply a bit too much. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. It will not burn your plants like some chemical fertilizers can. Chemical fertilizers can sometimes be too harsh, leading to nutrient burn and damage to plant tissues. Fish emulsion, on the other hand, provides a more gentle feeding, reducing the risk of such issues and ensuring your plants remain healthy and vibrant. This makes it a good choice for young plants and seedlings. Young plants are particularly sensitive to nutrient imbalances and harsh fertilizers. Fish emulsion provides a safe and effective way to nourish these delicate plants, helping them establish strong roots and vigorous growth from an early stage. In addition to nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, fish emulsion also contains other beneficial nutrients. These primary nutrients are essential for plant growth, but fish emulsion goes a step further by providing a broader spectrum of nutrition. These include calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. These secondary nutrients play crucial roles in plant health, supporting processes such as cell wall formation, chlorophyll production, and enzyme activation. By using fish emulsion, you ensure that your plants receive a well-rounded diet, leading to stronger, healthier growth and more bountiful harvests. Plants need food to grow, just like people and animals. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the three main nutrients that plants need. Nitrogen helps plants grow strong stems and leaves. It is important for leafy green vegetables like lettuce and spinach. Phosphorus helps plants develop strong roots and flowers. It is important for fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers. Potassium helps plants resist disease and stress. It is important for all plants, but especially for root crops like carrots and potatoes. Leafy green vegetables are heavy feeders. This means that they need a lot of nutrients to grow well. Fish emulsion is an excellent fertilizer for leafy greens. Use fish emulsion every 2 weeks during the growing season. Mix 1 tablespoon of fish emulsion per gallon of water. Water your leafy greens at the base of the plant. You will be amazed at how quickly your leafy greens grow with regular applications of fish emulsion. Section 6. Tomatoes. Rejoice. Tomatoes are another crop that benefits from fish emulsion fertilizer. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, especially during the fruiting stage. Use fish emulsion every 2 weeks during the growing season. Mix 2 tablespoons of fish emulsion per gallon of water. Water your tomato plants at the base of the plant. Fish emulsion will help your tomato plants produce large, flavorful fruits. Section 7. Fruits bursting with flavor. Fish emulsion is also a great fertilizer for fruit trees and berries. It helps to promote fruit set and improve fruit quality. Use fish emulsion 3 times a year, in early spring, late spring, and early summer. Mix 2 tablespoons of fish emulsion per gallon of water. Water your fruit trees and berries at the drip line. Your fruit trees and berries will reward you with an abundant harvest of delicious, nutritious fruits. Section 8. Easy application for bountiful harvests. Using fish emulsion is easy. Simply mix the recommended amount of fish emulsion with water. Then, water your plants as usual. You can apply fish emulsion with a watering can or a hose end sprayer. Be sure to apply the fish emulsion evenly to the soil around your plants. Avoid getting fish emulsion on the leaves of your plants. This can cause leaf burn. Section 9. Grow like a pro. Fish Emulsion Fertilizer is a powerful tool for gardeners of all levels. It is a natural, effective, and easy-to-use fertilizer that can help you grow healthy, productive plants. Visit our website today to purchase Fish Emulsion Fertilizer and take your gardening to the next level. Our website also has a wealth of information on organic gardening. Let us help you grow the garden of your dreams.